Hi everyone, it's Liam from the Blackpool Honda dealership. Hope you're all okay. And today I've got a quick video walk around of this brilliant sporty blue 1.6 diesel Civic SR. Now of course, as you'll notice, you do get LED daytime running lights. You also get front fog lights and 4 front parking sensors. Walking around to the side now, just going into the alloys here. As you can see, we have got these 17-inch tinted diamond cut alloy wheels as standard. And I will go into each and every alloy just so you can get an idea of the design pattern on these alloys. Walking around to the rear now, you've got 4 rear parking sensors and a reversing camera, of which is tucked up here. Just to provide and make this thing an absolute doddle to park when in a tight situation. As you can see now in the tailgate area, we have got plenty of room in here. We've got 60-40 split flat folding rear seats, and they do fold flat with this level just here. You've then got this brilliant little pull-over privacy shelf, which does enable maximum privacy and conveniency for when you have any objects in the tailgate. Walking around the car again, just showing you the rear alloy just here. In the back of the car now, as you can see, we have got your full cloth black interior with Isofix mounting points at the bottom. We've then got electric windows all around that are all automatic. Inside the front of the car now, we have got your electric handbrake with brake hold. We've got your economy mode and your stop start on and off. We've got a 6-speed manual gearbox just to ensure maximum fuel saving and maximum fuel economy, just to get the maximum MPG out of the car. Moving up now, we have got your dual climate control in the middle, which can be controlled via the touchscreen display in the middle. Within this display, you have got your satellite navigation. We've got your various audio sources just here. And then of course we have, last but not least, got your Bluetooth hands-free, as you can see just there. Over to the steering wheel now, we've got your audio controls on the left, we've got your cruise control and speed limiter on the right, and we have also got your automatic headlights, automatic windscreen wipers, and as you can see, this car has only done 51,738 miles. Jumping back outside the car now, just showing you the last remaining alloy. If you do of course require any further information on this Civic SR, don't hesitate to get in contact with our dealership, and one of our sales team can provide you the personalised video. We thank you for your time, and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool Honda.